wants to see us pack a $267 order into the car. So today's bill was $267. We did get a lot of household items, so that's probably why. And we also parked all the way back in the parking lot so that we can do this and show you guys exactly what we got and take our time. We don't have to worry about like getting run over or anything like that.
Now that everything's good with handicap spots.
Yeah,
and
when we got here, we had such a trouble finding a handicap spot or a spot in general, so we just decided to go all the way to the back. So, things we got. Bounty paper towels. We got 2 things of the Morton pellets for the water softener. We got toothpaste, Listerine, paper plates, pot roast, rotisserie chicken, soup. We also got Cape Cod chips. We got a bunch of snacky things for Steven. So Archer, we got Mega Omega, like a, what do you call that? I don't know. It's like a kind of like a trail mix, nut mix, whatever.
The only thing that has in there that's bad is pineapple, but it's not that bad.
Yeah, well,
It has a little pineapple nugget.
we got our chicken.
That's the only thing that's bad in there.
Well, I don't want to get the plates. We got our chicken. We got our egg bites. We got our. Oh, I did get breakfast sandwiches. That's a lot. Jeez. Birdies.
Of course, the water's right there.
So $267. Yeah.
What? I still don't know. But it is what
So
it is.
for the cooler, we need to put the pot roast definitely,
Well, this is what
chicken
we always-
definitely. So hand this to you. We definitely need to put the yeah, I see. We need this stuff. And then this. Does that fit? All right, the other meat thing that we have is this, and then we have soup. Can the soup fit on top? I'm scared about this thing.
soup, I know.
Be careful.
I'm afraid of the soup. Oh, good.
Oh, just like that. That's it. I wouldn't put anything else in there.
What about? No.
Nope, I wouldn't put anything else.
Now we got a bag. Hold on.
Okay.
Put it in the bag. Whoa!
Knock me out.
The other one is usually the master.
I know, but I'm doing this, so. Then you can just lay here so you can pick. Oh, the hot chicken, no, we're not going to put in there. Keep it by itself.
Put it there.
Really?
Put it in the bag. She doesn't spit it around.
Alright.
Holy chick.
And then bread. But the bread you cannot.
Put the bread on top.
Oh, we do need space because of the pellets and the paper towels.
Why don't you put this in the front seat? I mean, in the back. Put this in the back. I'm going to show it.
Open the door for me.
Yeah.
Please. I have the
Put
paper
the paper
plates
plates
here.
there.
Sorry, you guys. You know how sometimes I'm trying to like maneuver. Oh, Steven's bringing the rest of the stuff. And then we only have left a bounty. Wait, I'm putting my
Put
bag
the
in
bounty
there.
on the
Bounty on. I'm gonna put my bag in here. So
I can put the bounty in the back too.
my bag. I just don't want the cooler to go flying because that soup is in there. You know what I mean?
It's not going to go flying once we put the stuff in.
Okay. And that shit is heavy. Stuff is heavy. You need help?
No.
Well, that's the brakes.
Oh, whoa, hold on.
Oh,
That's what I
sunglasses.
said, hold. Where
Where-
are you going? It's
where-
right there. All the way over there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, got it.
Believe you.
All right, I'm gonna unpause this because there's a baby, but away. All right, guys, that's it. That's probably one of the biggest Costco hauls we've had in quite a while. So, see y'all next time.